Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but let me continue with this one. And today it's war day number 777, 777 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, enough about the war. Binary puzzle number 8336. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. All right, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 All right, now the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. B, no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So these 3 boxes should be an O. Alright, 5 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think. Between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. And now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. I think time for comparing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Yeah, I think we need to compare. How about, yeah, this column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare the rows. Yeah. Or not. Let me think. Here. Maybe this one. Do I have a double 1 here? Okay. No. Double. This one. The last row. And this one. Alright. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. In 7 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the 4 puzzles in additional. Yeah, there are 7, but 4 of them I will solve. Not all. Too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So let's have a break. So in the evening I will continue. Until then, bye bye for now.